Alright guys, we are under the Boxster and we are going to do an oil change together. So why do I do this? Well, the answer is a few-fold. Reason number one, we're going to cut the filter open. Purpose there is to demonstrate we have no metal or plastic in said filter. And then reason number two is to show folks you do not need a rocket science degree to work on these cars. Now granted, I do a lot of them, so for me it's a lot easier than if you never have, but you do not need to pay $200 or $300 for an oil change or whatever. So I was told the oil was just changed. I wanted to do it anyway, and you can pretty much see through it, so I received accurate information. But good to do anyway, and just kind of, demonstrate to everybody that everything is good. Now, I would say it's good to demonstrate it was done, but to claim to have done an oil change and not have done would be a little strange. Although I will say, I have seen some crazy auctions where people say, or sellers say, bizarre things, mainly about the IMS bearing. The old, my buddy said it was done, but I don't have paperwork. Yeah, that's a good one. So I am assuming the IMS has not been done on this one. I mean, maybe the clutch feels great. Like, the clutch feels like it was replaced yesterday. So I guess it is possible. But I have nothing to corroborate. That's a good word. That opinion, or that statement. It actually is really refreshing. Oh crap. That was my bit. It's refreshing to know that the individual I got the vehicle from was being honest about the oil being changed, because, like I said, people say and do amazing things when it comes to trying to sell a vehicle. Whether it be on Bring a Trailer, Cars and Bids, Marketplace, or whatever. Alright, let's get the filter down. Oh crap, sorry. Still good here. Can't tell, there's some glare. Yeah, I think we're good. Okay. Ugh, not looking forward to getting my bit, but I will live. oil filter housing was not over tightened. So he's excellent. Drain plug was also not over tightened, which is also excellent. Oy, 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 oy. Oh crap, man, I'm not doing too good today, guys. Maybe because it's a Monday. So it does have the MagnaFlow exhaust on it. I do have a stock S exhaust from a car that came in and was not up to snuff, and therefore it was broken up for parts. If the buyer wants it, you can have it. They're not worth a whole lot to sell, and they are a pain to ship. Alright. Ugh, I hate doing this with my phone. It gets so nasty. Okay. So we have a Bosch filter. It's also good to see. Alright, baffles are nice and clean. Nothing shiny. We don't have any dark, there's no black or tan plastic particles. So, we are going to call this one good to go. Alright guys, let me know if you have any questions, and thank you.